Now let's look at how to manage customers who have opted out of review emails. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. While still in the Emails to Customers section, click the Customers who have opted out tab. This page shows a list of customers who have unsubscribed from receiving review-related emails, such as review requests or reminder emails. If no customers have opted out yet, this page will appear empty. Once someone unsubscribes, their information will appear in the table. In the table, you'll see the customer's name, email address, and an Actions column. If a customer asks to start receiving emails again, you can remove them from this list. To do that, click the Delete button in the Actions column beside the customer's name. Removing the entry will resubscribe the customer and allow epicSnap to send review emails to them again. Just a quick reminder, only remove a customer from this list if they have clearly asked to opt back in. Removing someone without their consent may violate email regulations or create a poor customer experience. Anytime you need help, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic's right here when you need us. And if you'd like a demo or need additional support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.